Elephants are remarkable creatures, and their large flapping ears are more than just a defining physical feature. These ears serve a critical function in regulating body temperature, making them a natural adaptation to hot climates. In many ways, they can be aptly described as nature's air conditioners, a testament to the ingenuity of evolution. The structure of an elephant's ears is uniquely suited for cooling. Their large surface area, thin skin, and dense network of blood vessels work together to help dissipate heat. In the intense heat of their environment, particularly for African elephants, maintaining a stable body temperature is a challenge. Without a mechanism for efficient heat regulation, their massive bodies would overheat. The process is ingenious. When an elephant flaps its ears, it creates airflow over the blood vessels within the ears, allowing heat to dissipate. This cooling effect reduces the temperature of the blood before it recirculates through the body, helping the elephant maintaining a safe body temperature even in extreme conditions. Interestingly, the size of an elephant's ears is directly influenced by its environment. African elephants, which live in the hotter savannas, have much larger ears than their Asian counterparts. These large ears provide a greater surface area for heat dissipation, making them more effective at cooling. Conversely, Asian elephants, which inhabit more temperate forest areas, have smaller ears as their cooling needs are less pronounced. This difference highlights how evolution tailors physical traits to suit an animal's habitat, ensuring their survival. The elephant's ears are not just impressive in their size, but in their purpose. They are a crucial tool for survival, allowing these majestic animals to endure the challenges of their environment. Their cooling mechanism stands as a brilliant example of nature's capacity for innovation, offering a deeper appreciation for the intricate systems that enable life to thrive. Truly, an elephant's ears are much more than they appear. They are nature's own cooling masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.